I guess Aaron Bree has fallen asleep and doesn't want to put our intro. I don't know why he won't do it, but he won't. Aaron Bree, what say you? Why won't you put the intro on? What was your reason? No reason? Okay. Well, welcome to the Power Hour.
Let's get ready to rumble!
Benzinga Nation, jam-packed show today. Peloton up 5%.
What's up, disciplined investor?
We got Benzinga CEO Jason Raznick here with us.
The man, the myth, the legend, Tom Nash.
Peter Schiff on the Power Hour with us live today. Interesting, different, unique, innovative companies. Mia, you are live with us on the Power Hour. What's up?
Thank you so much for inviting me on.
Jessica Billingsley, that is the CEO of Akerna. The best trade idea resource out there.
All right. Now Aaron Bree woke up. He turned that on, put the intro on. I don't know why he didn't before, what was going on. But guess what? We're safe. We're happy. We're here. We're together, okay? You know, Aaron Bree is our Dabui or whatever they call him. Baba Booey. That's who he is. Baba Booey, because there's Dabui, he's a singer. Today, I don't know if you're green or red. If you're green, press 1. If you're in the red, press 2. Green, press 1. Red, press 2. I need to see that because I want to know where you're at today because we're going to find some profitable trades, high conviction ones that you can profit off. If you're green today, press 1. If you're in the red, press 2. All right. I'm going to go first because that's just the way I am. All right. I just pressed it. See? All right. We got, all right. Here we go. We got it populating. The action's heavy. Happy Muhammad, you're in the 1. I love it. You're a good person, so I like when people are good. RG, you're a good person too. Tony, you're a good person. Born to be free, good person. In the 1. This is great. NKL 1, love it. We got some 2s. Tiny Pie 1. Okay, so you're doing better than me. I on the other hand, I'm in the 2s. Baba Booey says bad, Jason, but I'll tell you why. And what's going on here. Let me get my screen up. Let's talk stocks. Let's see what's going to happen, and let's see what stocks are going to move during this Power Hour because that is what we do. Aaron Bree, come on, give us some tickers going across the bottom. Give us some price updates. Give us some news. Let's see some action. And then we have a special interview with Jonah List today. He'll be coming on talking his favorite stock pick, right, Jonah?
Yeah.
There you come on, Jonah. Yeah, here, guys. Here, Jonah's dying to come on. Hold on, Jonah, come on. Jonah, come on here. Jonah, can you talk in?
Yeah, sure.
He's really nervous. Jonah's nervous. Say hi.
Hi, everyone.
Did you know you were going to come on right now?
No.
You have a stock you like?
I've been doing some research into ETFs. I've been really interested in like cloud computing recently. So I know I talked this about Luke, but there's an ETF called SKYY.
That's SKYY.
And I've not done any like short-term analysis, but I think in the long run, cloud computing is just a very captivating technology that I think has really good like long-term prospects. So I think it's just something to look into.
All right. Thank you, Jonah. Words of wisdom. How old are you, Jonah?
17.
He's 17, but he's smart beyond his years. I promise you that. Smart beyond his years. He's kicking ass at Benzinga in only his first week. So welcome, Jonah, to the jungle.
All right. Thank you for having me.
Thank you. You got a lot of shout outs, Jonah, in the chat. Okay. I know you were nervous, Jonah, but you did great.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't think Jonah liked doing that, guys. So,
no, I'm fine too. I just wanted a heads up.
I know I don't give heads up. That's how it works here. And you wanted a heads up. I don't give heads up. Jonah's a great name. That's what we want to name our son. But then my wife's good friend named her son Jonah like 3 weeks before she had a baby. So then my wife wanted to name our son Noah, and I wanted to name him Jonah. But then her friend named her kid Jonah. So then she's like, I don't want to name my kid Jonah. And so then I didn't want to do Noah because whenever Noah would write his name down, he'd be writing N-O first. N-O. And N-O is negative. Like you're writing no every time. I didn't want that. So we did not name him Noah. I didn't win with Jonah. And then we settled on Josh. And so we were about to name, my wife wanted Noah, but when you write the name Noah, you're writing N-O every time. A negative connotation. So that was like, it was dumb logic by me, but that was my logic. Dumb logic, I would say in hindsight. Okay, so now, you got Zero Sun has thing named Jonah. Aaron, so what's on the agenda for guest today? What do we got? Because I have to give some high conviction picks today. What do we got? Tell me where we're at.
Well, we got to touch on AMC. You know,
Raymond, I see that you're asking that. Our premium subscribers get that, but I'm going to give some stocks in a little bit. Raymond, I see you. Okay, I see you're out there, and yeah. So go ahead, Go ahead, Aaron.
So I'm joining you from beautiful Boca Raton right now.
Yep. I'm in Miami for the crypto event too.
Okay, well, that's not too far. Maybe we can link up. But I was only able to afford this trip from all the AMC calls that I was trading. So shout out AMC. We can do some live trades on AMC. It's up to 46. I don't know if you still hold it in your portfolio, Jason, but maybe we'll
Wait, it's up to 46.
$46. Let me pull it up real quick on Benzinga Pro.
AMC 40.
I think it touched 46. It's at 47 now. Oh my God. Oh my Lanta. All right, I'm sharing my screen.
My Lanta.
Oh my Lanta. Yeah, it's from a movie that's probably not appropriate anymore. It probably wouldn't fly in 2021.
Wait, look at this. NCAL
48. It's going up to 50. All right, Jason.
Wow.
I think we got to get in on this. This is giving me.
I owned AMC at $6, mofo.
I know, but remember when GameStop went up to like 150 and people were like, "Oh, this is like crazy. It's not going to go any higher." And then it went up to 350. I feel like that's what we're going to see right now. We might see AMC hit 100 today.
I mean, it's unbelievable. Will you pull up a chart of AHT right now? AHT?
Yeah, we talked about this stock yesterday on the Power Hour.
Sean Wilton. That's Benzinga Pro. This is a platform that we create. We break news on there. So zoom in on AHT. This is Zach Moore's pick. I think Zach Moore is coming on the show, by the way. I have to
yes.
So
we have AJ Trader coming on next week, who's a really good friend of Zach Morris, and who knows, he might be bringing him on. If he doesn't bring him on that episode, he said he's gonna come on again with Zach. So looking forward to that, definitely.
Okay, so now you have guests in the green room. What's up with that? Who do you know about this?
Yeah, so these are our friends from the Next Trade podcast. Well, I think they're still doing that. Honestly, I don't know, but they're my boys, Terrible Trader and Hopped. Do you want to go ahead? Let's bring them on right now.
Yeah, well, Terrible Trader is because you are a terrible trader.
Yeah, so we're trying to work through that together.
Who would name them Terrible Trader? That's funny.
Well, here, let's bring him on, and we'll let him give the story of that.
All right. Hey, smelly fart.
Hey, how you doing?
That's just like.
Are you guys roasting my name already?
Yeah.
Why?
Because you're not a terrible
name.
trader. You're just like making fun of it, the whole concept, aren't you?
I am. I like the irony behind it, and when I win trades, I feel better about myself, considering I call myself Terrible Trader.
Are you a net green trader, or are you like net red over your whole lifetime trading?
Oh, that's a loaded question. Like, I traded options for 4 years, and I would say I probably lost like $60,000 over multiple option accounts.
So you are a terrible trader.
Oh, yes. Well, I'm a terrible day trader, that's for sure. But ever since about a year, 8 months ago, maybe 2 years ago, I just started going long equities that I like and I believe in, and I've been doing great. Is it a factor of this bull market? Maybe. Could I have good stock picks? Maybe. I don't know. But what I do know is I stopped trading leverage, and I love my name, and I love the market, and that's about it.
So, yeah, Jason, to give you some more insight, Terrible Trader runs an Instagram account with, let me pull it up real quick. How many followers you at? Like 60,000?
Yeah, just about almost 60,000.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, I mean, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. If it was Awesome Trader, he'd have 120,000 though.
Right. But my goal is to be transparent, and I think the trading industry is filled with a lot of half lies and people that are flexing their performance. And I don't think that's healthy for my trading. Like, my objective is to make money via the market, not to make money via, subscriptions or any other business model. Not that there's anything wrong with that, but I think it's important to stay true to how difficult the market is, how savage the market is. And I think that's what's got me here, which is doing great. I've been talking about NVIDIA for a while on this show. Almost every time I've come on, I've discussed NVIDIA. Obviously, it's breaking out huge. Been talking a lot about Take-Two. They had great earnings 2 weeks ago. Stock was up 10%. And I think there's a lot more to come when the catalysts come in a couple of years. So I'm just building a large position. So everything's going all right. It's boring. You know, successful investing is inherently boring. It's not what's going to bring in the views or the clicks. But I like it.
I love it because it's not even just for your trade and being transparent and being honest. I love how you said half truths, okay? Because half truths are this, right? I owned a stock, BGFV, okay? Big Five Sporting Networks or Sporting Goods or something. I owned it I bought it at 189 and I bought it at 166. And I sold it at 240 like a few days later. It's at $35 now. All right? And the half truth would have been, yeah, I kept some shares, I took some off. No, I'm a jackass. I sold all of it, okay? I sold all of it. And if someone says, why'd you sell all of it? I have no reason. I don't know. I needed to free up cash. I don't know. Like, yeah, so I'm openly telling people I'm an idiot. Don't listen to me. But I don't always do that. There's some times where, like, I may have sold all of it, but I don't know. Like, the thing what you're talking about is it's so appealing to me because it's also for mental health. Because people think they're out on their own on that. So the BGFV, yes, I literally had 5,000 shares, $10,000 worth. Okay, and I sold and I made $1,200. If I didn't sell it, obviously that's 5,000 shares times 33. That's $150,000, right? And so that's $140,000 gain. So I could be all sad and depressed, but if you start getting people to be more honest, like what you're talking about, Terrible Trader, you're not only helping yourself, but I think you're helping the world that's listening.
Yeah, I appreciate that. I mean,
who said the hero comment? That was a little.
He's
that's a half truth.
Jesus.
I'm just kidding.
Stop it.
That was a little.
Sorry, I do want to keep talking about this topic because it interests me a lot. I think.
Yeah.
The thing is, so I've been in the market for about 6 years, and I study how other people approach the market over time, and I've noticed a trend where some people will be in the market for decades, people will have on their bios like 10, 15, 20, 30 years. And I'll notice that they still believe a lot of things that just aren't true. Like if you have any experience in the market, some facts, some statements, they're just not true at all. And these quote unquote veterans still buy a lot of these stories. So I thought to myself, like, why is that? Why do people never sort of like change and realize how savage the market truly is and how many people aren't being honest about their performance or their picks or whatever? And I think it's that lack of transparency in general. Like even the mainstream media, I don't want to, say any names or anything, but there are people within the mainstream financial media that I can prove objectively don't make money in the market. Factual, I can prove it with facts, but yet they're still publicized on the mainstream media. People still believe their stories. They still buy their books. They still buy their courses. And it's like we've created a culture where nobody's honest about it. And I think it makes it even harder for people to be honest about it because then you're going to be the first guy that isn't doing that well. It's interesting to me, but I love Terrible Trader. So
no, it makes transparency become a real thing. And that if you're doing it in that way, I mean, I think, it can be, going against the mold of everyone sort of bragging, driving their Lambos and stuff and things like that. And, being so transparent on like my perfect example is BGFV. I mean, other than I'm an idiot for selling it. I don't have any other reason. Actually, my other reason was I wanted to find another stock and I didn't want to go on more margin, but I picked the wrong one. It's like the lottery. I have 30 picks and I got rid of, one, but yeah, so that's it. So how's the podcast going, guys?
How's it going, Ed? You want to tell him?
How's it going, Hopt? You want to tell him?
That's why I said I didn't know what was going on with it because I knew there was some.
We're good. Me and Ed are good. He has a unique situation with Twitch currently. We're getting resolved, but once that's resolved, we're going to be right back at it. Giving you the good DD, giving you the good stock picks. But I did want to touch on one thing you guys are talking about. Like this is definitely an age for trading. Like this is not a time to invest. You look at the stocks that are making the news, the stocks that are making the biggest moves. And those are the stocks that are up, the meme stocks, AMC, GameStop. These are not stocks you want to be holding for 5 years. You need to almost be timing the tops if you can. And a lot of people are going to get their hearts broken. They're going to sell too early. Many of them are going to sell too late. So, yeah, you do need to ask from the people that you take advice from or that you listen to on the internet, especially. You should be asking for P&L. You should be asking for the full picture, Like you shouldn't just be taking people's statements for granted about how much money they make in this type of market, especially.
I don't know about anyone else, but I'm kind of losing you, Hop. But we just got to do a quick check-in on AMC. It's gone up about $3 since y'all came on the show.
I mean, it's AMC. Should we be buying this right now?
I said I thought we should at 40 a few minutes ago, and we would have already made a few percentages on it. Was anyone else losing Hop there, or was it just me?
No, I heard him loud and clear.
It was just you. You're
the Wi-Fi in this.
You're on the beaches. The room. I thought you're on a beach. What? So you lied? See, that's what he's talking about. Terrible church. So you lied. You're not on a beach then? I mean, you said you're in a room now. Which one is it?
Yeah, my little cabana room is supposed to have good Wi-Fi. I guess not. I guess not. But we'll figure it out.
Hey, maybe we can talk about AMC here. I want to get your guys' takes on this. So currently, AMC's market cap is $23 billion, right? And GME's market cap, it's not very far off its bubble highs, is $18 billion. So in terms of the size of AMC, it's still a larger equity. I wonder how many people in this stock are looking for another kind of like mother of short squeeze where they want to see 200, 300, 400. I've seen people give price targets for like 1,000. But my question is, say we do reach even more rationality, we get that gamma squeeze, whatever the heck that is. What would be AMC's like cap in terms of this is too large of a company now, where it gets to the point where Wall Street bets these retail traders wouldn't even have the capital to sustain this run higher? Because if AMC was to go to 400, for example, I mean, this would put it at over $200 billion, $150 billion stock. What do you guys think?
Well, AMC has more float. So the question is are there enough buyers to get in here to push it that level? I mean, it seems like there are, but I mean, it would be really interesting to see what this thing closes at today. If you see it break over 60 today, I think then you're going 60, 80, 90, 100. If you see it, 47, 46, then you would see it could be a tough one to move to that kind of level in my opinion. But guess I'm just a talking head, and I get seen these patterns, and who knows? We're at 53, 65, 66 right now. I'm looking at the level twos. I'm seeing some big orders coming in. And it's trading on. And look, listen, we got this guy, Aaron, who's here, and he wants to buy it right now because he's like, hey, everyone said that GameStop was going to stop, and then it never stopped. And so Aaron doesn't want to miss it. He has this FOMO. He seriously has FOMO. And
let's do this. I'll show you a cool thing about Benzinga Pro. So
will you zoom in, Junior?
Yes, sir. I'm going to the signals. I'm going to click option activity, AMC. So look, all these here. I'll wait. I got to search for. So we got these calls coming in.
I bought AMC during the show just now.
$60 call sweeps coming in for Friday. And I'm seeing this unusual options activity. It seems like all of them are on the long side, not a lot on the short side. And I do think that we should try to clear the air about this whole, this price movement isn't just due to, Wall Street bet retail traders. There is institutional money.
Oh, yeah. So
we saw this yesterday with Mudrick Capital. I mean, the institutions are seeing this as an opportunity just like we are. So to think it's only going to be retail traders causing this price movement, I don't think that's accurate.
Right.
I mean, Jason, have you ever seen anything like this before? Have you ever seen a couple stocks have this fervent of a fan base?
I haven't. I did see it with Netscape back in the day, but there was a reason, it was the first one. But guys, I bought AMC as we were talking 4 minutes ago, at 52.11. I'm up $1,800 in 3 minutes. It's I bought $20,000, $21,000. Yep, $1,500, $1,800 now. And have I seen anything like this? No. Now it's up 1953. up 10%, up 10%. It's at $57 now. I mean, have I seen it like this? No, I have. I can't give you. I mean, I gave you Netscape as one. Lucent, LU, way back when it was going to be like the thing powering the internet, and the pipes had a fervent fan base like this, but it was different. It was different.
Yeah.
So wait, let me just,
go ahead. I'm sorry.
Up,
I was just gonna
2,100 now. 2,100.
I was just gonna point this out real quick. 'Cause I think this is fascinating.
No,
So this,
don't sell.
Zoom in. AMC, zoom in.
This options activity, it picks up calls and puts, right? Look at how many calls we have before we find a put. Right here, this is the first put sweep I've seen. So one put to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It's like 1 to 20 long calls coming in. And these are big orders. This isn't just any order someone makes. These are unusual options activity. So it has to be above a certain, price that they're spending on this. And that's what's shocking me right now is how many long calls we're seeing of significant money coming in and basically no puts.
$60.
Yeah, I'm looking at the profits on these. Oh my God.
$73 calls coming in for Friday. Here's the ask, here's the bid. And it's look, this is live. It's getting updated. And here, I'll show you the time real quick so we can see. These are all coming in this minute.
So the top options. I'm sorry. Go ahead.
Oh my God.
Dude, I'm looking at the profit on these. The top options contracts that are making the most gains today up 2,800%.
Wait, are you serious? How do you see that?
I'm looking at the Robinhood options. What is it? The options.
Oh my God. My AMC that I bought, guys, during it's at $61. I'm up $4,400 in 8 minutes now. I bought $21,000 worth, and then I'm up $4,000.
This is insane.
Guys, slam the like. We're going.
We're live trading. We're live trading AMC on the show.
Robinhood just shut down the top options chain for the $73 price target. That's the top.
Do you want to share your screen or no?
Holy Christ! I'm looking on my phone.
All right, your phone. Okay.
Well, here I can share my Robinhood.
Look at the options chain, and if you have an options chain that shows you the percentage increase in the price of the option, up 3,000% at like the $71 strike price for the fourth. This is unbelievable. And Jason, what I was saying is like I've seen stocks that have gotten like a lot of fan base from the company, like Tesla, but I've never seen stocks that have a fan base for the stock. Like nobody really cares about like the fundamentals of these companies. And this is insane, dude. This is nuts. I think I can't even pull up AMC on my Webull account.
No, I mean, should I get the Webull CEO on? Wait, you can't pull it up?
I can now. It just pulled up for me, but before it wasn't even working.
Oh wait, AMC went up to $61 while we were looking at the options chain.
Yes.
Yeah, 61.72.
Oh my!
I need to sell. I need the 70. I need the 70.
Okay.
All right, so let me go. I actually have never.
I think it's halted. I mean, it's not moving.
It just got halted.
Yeah, it's not moving on mine.
Suspended.
Circuit breakers. What do we get halted on?
It couldn't be a circuit breaker. It'd be just I don't know. I guess they could halt it on the upside, right?
Hold on. Let me see.
That's so weird.
Hold on. AMC halted. Let me go to the news desk.
1226.
Does Benzinga Pro have anything, Bree, on the news feed? Come on, Bree, pull it up.
Dude,
all right, let me go back to my.
Because this isn't short covering either. This has nothing to do with gamma squeeze. This has nothing to do with covering. This is organic buy pressure. I've never seen anything.
See, I don't know what it is, and I really want to do a deep dive on gamma squeezes because people just started bringing up the term gamma squeeze, like I told you guys earlier.
We do have a note here on Benzinga Pro already. See, this is AMC shares halted on circuit breaker to upside up 92%. This is the benefit of having Benzinga Pro because this news comes in instantaneously as it happens. I mean, this news is so fast, it's almost illegal. I don't even know how they do it, honestly.
I've never heard of a circuit breaker to the upside. That doesn't make any sense to me.
We had a few during all the different GameStop stuff.
Jason Shubnell is here. Welcome, Jason. Hey, if you're listening to the feed and you're just here, slam that like. AMC is moving. We're on it. These guys. Hey, are any of you guys are you going to trade it? Terrible trader. Seems like it's time for you to trade it, right?
Nope. look, I don't touch memes, man. I've lost too much money, you know? And the thing is, when I make money on a meme, I know that I'm going to lose money on another meme. Like I think about, I've lost too much money, man. Like, okay, for example, for me, $60,000 for me at my age, where I come from, that I like lost everything in the market. And that's kind of what made my brain just be like, only doing safe stuff. You know, you can say that I'm a pussy or whatever, but
Whoa.
Yeah, don't say that word.
I thought Jason said the F word last time we were here. I mean,
I didn't say whoa.
I was kidding. You can say whatever you want.
And by the way,
Piss.
Stop. By the way, I thought that was like a synonym for wimp, and my wife told me it's not. So I guess I can't say that word at home anymore. But anyway, I said it's a cat. All right. So yeah, is AMC still halted?
yeah.
I bought BlackBerry this morning, and it's up. What is it?
Oh, did you?
21%. GameStop is only up 10%. What's up with GameStop? GameStop's now the lagger. Paul says, look at GME. Yeah, they're only up 11%. I mean, this might have changed over the last minute in this market, but yeah, now it's up 16%. Oh my God, he's exactly right. It was up 11% literally a minute ago. Now it's up 18% because people can't buy AMC.
Okay, let's see if we got any other ones going.
Oh my God.
What's Torre doing?
GME nearing 300. Steve
Yep.
Krause says. We got GME.
Holy shit.
Hey, Bree, you're gonna take it. Look, Rocket up 8.51%. You know,
Beautiful, man.
Wait,
'Cause you know
someone
what
in
it
the
is?
chat.
Go ahead.
Oh, sorry. Go ahead.
No, I was just going to say, like, you know what it is? It's like AMC gets halted, and now they literally that minute piled into GME. So GME was like, it was like lagging. It was stagnating around 10%. Now it's up almost 20%.
Look, we're seeing all the meme stocks that we were talking about back in January. Sundial's up 15%. And guess what? Sundial is going to be at our cannabis conference tomorrow.
no
We have a cannabis
fucking way.
conference.
Really?
Yes, sir. And
Oh,
canopy
shit.
growth. But someone in the chat was asking to explain a circuit breaker. So that's essentially just when a stock is getting too volatile, either on the upside or the downside, and they just stop trading on it to kind of
AMC resumes. AMC resumes trading. Benzinga Pro News Desk has reported to me. We resume at 57.68. Jason Raznick, who is me, did not sell at 61. So I am still in my shares. Again, we're gonna fair disclosure. We're at $57. AMC resumes. Repeat. We're 57.33. Could this thing come back up? We're up 10% since I made the buy. Maybe I should sell a little bit, but
it's coming back to 55. Is it? Oh wow! It just dropped all the way to 50.
Did it really?
Shut
No way.
up.
No,
Did it
didn't.
really?
Can you guys see this?
I'm showing 54.62. Am I wrong?
I see 51.35, and it stopped moving as if it got halted again.
It might have gotten halted again.
Look, it's really volatile. I mean, look, just if we take a step back and think about how
Holy
we're acting
shit.
right now, we're all being super emotional. We're yelling, we're getting rowdy, we're looking tick by tick.
Oh my God.
This is what happens when things get euphoric.
Oh
Jason,
my
sell.
God! You guys don't. I'll give you the real deal. Revander Holyfield. The stock is halted again. Okay, and so when I wanted to sell 100 or 200 just to see what's doing, what's going, what's happening, boom, it doesn't work. So I'm stuck. I am stuck with my $2,000 gain is now a $300 loss on my 10-minute trade.
Oof. You'll be okay. I think you'll be okay. There's too many degenerates buying this thing.
Oh, I'm not. Listen, AMC to the moon, right? Isn't that what they say?
Exactly.
I mean, I'm not trying to push it one way or the other, guys. I'm just telling you that's what's happening right now.
It's suspended
AMC.
again.
What do you say? It's
Yeah.
again. Is it trading
well,
again?
I have the new live news feed up right here, so we'll know first when it resumes trading. Right here on Benzinga Pro. And if you want a free trial to Benzinga Pro, go to pro.benzinga.com.
The Benzinga Pro news desk has said AMC is down 17% from session high. BBY, I don't know why this might be in our commentary.
I have
I'm a Bed Bath and Beyond. Let's see what it's doing.
Hey, if you're new to this channel, we're here live all day, 10 hours a day. Like and hit the subscribe button. We're trying to get to 100,000. We're at 98,600. Tomorrow's a 2-day cannabis event. We have every single cannabis company presenting. you know, and yeah.
Also-
Now I wonder if some of these other meme
Bad
stocks.
Bath and Beyond is up 40%.
Yeah,
Hell
but
yeah.
look, it's dropping down now too. I wonder if it's on this news. People are kind of worried now that they're going to see a circuit breaker on some of these other ones.
Like if you're Jim Cramer, you got to be pulling what little hair you have left out of your head because it's like there's no fundamental reason. What are you going to say when you go on Mad Money? There's nothing you could say. There's nothing you could say.
I mean, he's already said everything you could say. He's basically conjured every single sentence you could He's been on TV every day for so long. So
Yeah, I mean, look, I'm sure he's doing fine. I'm not like nobody's crying any tears for his content, but it's just nuts to think like,
Hey,
how do you explain? Like, no one's buying charcuterie boards from Bed Bath and Beyond today to drive the price 40%. And by the way, Benzinga Pro is the shit. If you guys are even like on the fence about getting it, I thank you guys for hooking me up with that. By the way, Jason.
you're
are you,
welcome.
are you an
that was me.
affiliate? Are you an affiliate?
Oh, maybe.
I don't think we are yet. No. but
No.
Why the
we
fuck
should-
not?
We should.
I don't know,
become-
dude. We got to hook it up because I love Benzinga Pro.
I'll
So-
send you an affiliate. I'll send you an affiliate link right now.
Yeah,
Okay.
become a fucking affiliate, sell 10 of them, and make it. This is fucking crazy. This is crazy. AMC to okay. So are we open? Give me the Benzinga Pro news feed up there. Okay, so 12. Here we go.
Oh,
Shares
to
to
resume.
resume at 12:37 and 52 seconds.
Oh, great.
All right, let's take a bet. Put your number in. Whoever gets it closest, I'll send $20 to Venmo. Okay, put the price into the chat right now. What do you think it opens up at? Let's go.
That is some good engagement. That's guys. You better smash the like button for Venmo right now. Absolutely destroy this like button. Get your prediction in. I'm putting $51.
Wait, where do I say that? Where do I put that?
In the chat, the
Oh, in the
Benzinga
chat,
in the YouTube chat. We need to know, and you'll get a Venmo or some shit from me. I don't know.
Who is putting $40? Why do you guys want
48.
Jason to
60,
get wrecked right now? Calm down.
64.
48. I'm saying
I-
48.
I mean, being a realistic, it could be it could be down there, but let's go. AMC, we got the coverage, we have the Reddit thing, and then you got Bed Bath and Beyond. We're going live all day, 12 hours a day. AMC, should we bring the CEO on right now?
Yeah, bring him on, dude.
Okay, we producer AB, can you talk to your ear and tell Zoli to reach out to AMC CEO right now?
Yeah.
I'm serious.
Nope. I know. I'm gonna do it right this
Okay.
second.
All right, so it's AMC. The news desk says recturacy.
You know what, dude? This may be the craziest day I've ever seen in the market. And I say that even knowing what happened in January, because this is organic buying. This is like retail. And don't get me wrong, I know that institutions are piling in, but this is definitely the power of retail demonstrified or demonstrated in front of you.
You guys see Robert Corporon. He is serious, man. He is saying don't effing sell.
Are we back live in AMC yet? It's got to be starting up any second here.
any
No,
second now.
no, 12 more seconds.
What was the news? They're doing free popcorn? What happened?
That we heard already about for the loyalty thing. But
Oh,
just-
it's
Trey. It's live. It's live. It's live.
We're at
Where we at?
50. It's like right where it
it's
was.
live. 51. It's live.
Okay.
I had some execution. May have
coming
had
back
some
up.
execution. I may have had some execution.
Wait, what'd you do?
It's
You bought
live.
more?
No. I got an alert that some shares were sold, but not my
Okay,
share.
we're rallying.
A small amount. 52, 63.
It's up to 54. We're seeing it come
54.
back up. We're seeing it come back up.
Bouncing up 50. So what was the open at? What was the open?
Oh, do we have 55? We have
51.
55. We got 55.
We got 54, 54, 23, I think. 54, 23. 55. You're right. 55. Jesus. I got the
56. We've got
200
56.
times- What's 200 times 5?
This is not-
Thousand.
100 times 1,000.
$1,000. Yeah.
57.
My
we're
bad.
up to 57. We got
We
57.
could be hitting 60. We could be hitting 60. If you're
We're going back. We're going
Yeah,
to the moon.
if
It's moon time.
if we
It's
don't-
1999. Start
if we
partying.
don't get this channel to 100 likes or more, we have to just log off now. 100 likes or more, or
Yeah,
we
like
log
it.
off right now.
There's 400
One-
people watching right now. What the hell? are you doing?
1,
Like the
2, 3. 100 likes or more, or we log
Please.
off. Okay, we got AMC resumes, bouncing off 50. Nicola looks like it's moving along with other WSB names. Give me NKLA. Put up NKLA real quick, and then we'll go back to AMC. Okay, we're over 100 likes, so we'll still keep the channel on for another 5 minutes. Come on.
Nicola's
NKLA,
up,
hold up.
Nicola's up 12.5%.
Ugh,
All right,
Trevor
are you-
Milton.
Benzinga Pro. Trevor Milton. That is crazy.
All right,
Going
going back to AMC.
Hey, I got to give my man here, Colby Weber. I had a phone call with him last week. He told me it was like $30, $25. I'll talk to you about Luke in a second, Mitch Olsen, but I need to give my boy Colby Weber. He's not a stock trader. He's new to the markets this year. He was all over this AMC story. He told me to get all in. I didn't listen. I got a little in, but Colby Weber, you demand. Okay, Luke, I told you guys last week, Luke's grandma passed away. Luke is at the funeral. So I'm sorry, Mitch Olsen, but that is the truth. Okay? Sorry for the somber moment. Anyway, we're back to the AMC to the moon story. Are we at 58?
We are at 57 right now.
Holy shit.
Oh, it's coming back down, it looks like a little bit.
All right, I'm getting anxious. Jason, what's your plan? Do you even have a plan here? Do you use trailing stops at all? Or
no, I sometimes do. My plan is hit 60 to sell 20%.
Okay.
I'm no expert at this shit.
Me neither.
I actually think I should buy more. Could it go to 70 today?
You know, this market is so crazy, I can't put anything out of question.
Could AMC go to 70 today? Press 1 if you think so.
Yes.
I know what Colby Weber thinks.
Definitely could.
Yeah, I hear you, Happy, I hear you. I may put a little thing in, but oh, look at that. We got a lot of people saying it's going to 70. All right, so AMC to the moon. Are there any other trades we should be making right now, guys, on this AMC stuff? Should we be buying the RKTs, the other stocks? Like, what else should we be doing right now?
Here's one to look at. Look at GMER, Good Gaming. This company was given to me by one of these degenerates in my chat that spends all his time on Reddit yesterday.
Okay, GMER?
GMER, you got it. This is a 15-cent penny stock. I'm not sure if you guys are allowed to talk about these or not, but this is a...
The GMER?
Yeah, GMER.
Yeah, it's called Good Gaming.
Good Gaming.
Small cap, very small cap.
Okay, well, so we do have our next guest here. So Flopped and Terrible Trader, we may have to bring you back next week for a live update.
Wait, give us a talk about who the next guest is before we do
I will. So he's the CEO and founder of Alfi, which is it's a software company based out of Miami. They're doing some really cool stuff in the AI space. I'm excited to get some more insight on the company straight from the CEO.
Are you pronouncing the company name right?
It's ALFI. I assume it's Alfi.
Alfi, but it could be Alfi. I don't know.
I think he's right.
You think he's right? Yeah. I just don't know. All right. Well, maybe come back if this goes on all day. This AMC stuff, we get to 100 or something. Come back on later, guys, because
we might be doing an all day, all night stream. So if you guys want to hop back on, let us know.
It's a great day.
Yeah, sure. Hit us up. Yeah, thanks for having us, man.
All right.
Thanks,
guys. Good talking to you, and good luck with Twitch and the situation. And we'll see you later. I had a joke. I had a joke, but I don't know if it was too crude, so I held back.
It's always okay.
I know you guys would have liked it, but Aaron Bree made a reprimanded me, so it's all right.
I was kidding when I said the whoa. I wanted to make them feel like, are we not allowed to cuss? But you can cuss all you want.
All right.
All right.
Bye.
We'll get you signed.
Yeah.
Hey, make sure you guys sign up for the affiliate link too.
Yeah.
Send that to me, please.
All right. Later, guys.
All right. Coming on now, CEO and founder of Alfi. Mr. Paul, how we doing?
Hey, Aaron, how are you?
I'm great. How are you?
Hell of a day without AMC, huh?
Yes, sir. So how do you pronounce your company name?
It's Alfi.
So like you said it.
Yeah.
Good job, Aaron. I'm proud of you.
I try.
You're the man.
So Mr. Paul, so we have, so Alfi is in the AI chip space. I saw the recent news. We actually reported on it. Benzinga did about the tablets and the cabs in Belfast, something along those lines.
Yeah. We've had those. We've been running those digital tablets in the Northern Ireland taxi cab company for almost 2 years. We were MVP, minimum viable product, January of 2019, and we've been running in the wild and testing and making sure that when we go commercial, we're now starting to turn on the commercial switch, that everything is running. You never get a second chance to make a first impression. So we made sure we went to market with a product that's we're on version 2 of our software right now. and it's way past beta or testing or anything. So we're ready to ramp really very aggressively in quite a few ride shares and taxi cabs in several parts of the world: UK, London, Miami, and 10 other cities in the US.
So is this your core business model, or you guys are in more of the like full body recognition? Can you explain us that a little bit?
Yeah,
just
sure.
the full body recognition technology.
Yeah. So let me just tell you real quickly how it came about. So years ago we just felt that the privacy compliance and privacy was a big issue, and the cookies was something that needed to be kind of obsolete. And we felt we needed to build a platform that respected people's privacy while able to deliver targeted content and advertising, and at the same time capture data in a privacy compliant manner. And so Alfi pretty much delivers the relevant content to the right person at the right moment in time. And I'll give you a typical example I always share with people. Imagine that you're a 25-year-old woman wearing, Caucasian woman wearing yellow Fendi sunglasses, and you walk up to a bus shelter. Well, at those bus shelters, you've got these the Clear Channels, JC the Kohrs, all these digital screens, and they serve these ads up, but they serve it indiscriminately. It could be a rainstorm with 10 feet of water and nobody there, and they're still going to serve an ad to nobody. They're not intelligent. They can't tell who or the user's demographics in front of the screen. Now, imagine that screen has an Alfi platform on it with our SaaS enterprise software. Alfi uses the camera to sense the demographics of the user. So Alfi will detect it's a 25-year-old Caucasian woman wearing yellow Fendi sunglasses. So instead of serving up retirement home ads and health insurance or wheelchairs and stuff, Alfi will use its recommendation engines and look in its portfolio and say, hey, we've got some Louis Vuitton, Prada, Gucci sunglasses. Let's serve that relevant content to that specific user. And it will serve it up. It will then detect whether the user has looked at the screen or not, do a timestamp of it, and record that data for the brand owner. So again, it's capable of serving the relevant content to the right person at the right moment in time. Similarly, inside of ride shares and taxi cabs or digital tablets, are a little bit more powerful. It tracks your retina. It has object classification. It'll detect age, gender, and a couple other demographics. And based on that, it'll serve the right content to that particular ride share customer at that moment in time. And so, and whilst doing all of that, we maintain our GDPR compliance and privacy compliance. We do not capture any personal information because we don't need personal information. We just need that general demographic. It's a 25-year-old female wearing Fendi sunglasses at the corner of Madison and Fifth. That sort of information, and that information is invaluable to brand owners that for many years they've been paying for ads in the digital out-of-home market that has really no accountability, no transparency, and no data reporting whatsoever.
Yeah, so I know that's one of the major concerns that people have in this industry is just as far as privacy concerns when we're going to be living in an age where we have AI cameras that are taking our data, but what you're saying essentially is they're not going to be taking the identity part of it, but just as far as for advertising purposes?
Yeah, we don't take any identity. All we do is just sense general demographics, age, gender, metrics, and we then deliver relevant content based on that geolocation, age, gender, and a couple other metrics like maybe some object classification. And that way, we're able to curate a much more enjoyable user journey in terms of the type of content that's curated for the user and the kind of branding and messaging that's curated for that specific user, and record it so that when the user wants to determine, well, how many 25-year-old females looked at my Bacardi ad, we can report that back to them with a pretty high degree of accuracy.
Got it. Yeah, and I know that definitely clears up some of that, because that would be one of my major concerns is, I wouldn't want to be walking down the street and getting picked up by these cameras saying, oh, Aaron's walking here, Aaron's walking there. But if it's just saying, oh, here's a 25-year-old male walking into Starbucks instead of a different coffee shop, then that's a little bit different.
Yeah, Alfi does not store any personal information and does not keep any images. So when we built this platform, we built it on the premise that it would be privacy compliant. We use no cookies. We would capture data that was relevant for the brand user in a manner that was both ethical and respectful.
So we kind of touched on it with the in the taxi cabs, but what are some of the applications of this technology in instances outside of outdoor advertising?
Oh, just imagine walking through an airport, walking through a mall. We're rolling out Alfi kiosks in a couple of airports around the world as we speak, and also malls. I'm not sure if I can talk about all that stuff yet, but
you're more than welcome to break some news here on Benzinga Power Hour. We'll do a whole exclusive.
I'm probably going to get whacked for this, but we're actually rolling out in some pretty exciting places with contracts, pretty much in our hand. And right now, Alfi's focus is it's focused on precision execution. The product has been developed. The pipeline of contracts are already in our back pockets, and it's all now about just execution and delivery. And that's basically what we've been powering up to and working with our teams in Denver, in Belfast, in London, in Miami, in Austin, and New York. We have deployment of resources and teams and offices in all those locations.
Wow. So I do have to just ask a kind of basic question about Miami. I know our CEO, Raz, is going to be down there in a couple weeks for a Bitcoin conference. But there's been this whole kind of
couple days, buddy. Couple days, like tomorrow. Silly.
There's been this sort of a technology renaissance in Miami. What has that been like? I mean, how long have you guys been in Miami?
We actually founded the company in Miami, and it was only because of I live in South Beach, and so that's where I've lived for almost 20 years. It wasn't the easiest thing rolling out a tech company in a non-tech type environment, but there's been a lot of push and a lot of emphasis on trying to build Miami as a tech startup hub. In fact, I believe that Alfi is the first Miami-founded tech company to go public IPO on NASDAQ out of Miami. I think that's what they've told me. I haven't validated that myself, but I do think that's what the mayor was saying.
Wow. So do you foresee a lot more startups, popping up out of Miami? I know during COVID we had a lot of people kind of left the San Francisco, Silicon Valley area. So it's just been interesting to see a lot of this technology stuff seeming like it's revolving around what's going on in Miami.
Yeah, Miami is a lovely place to work and to live. The problem we had was that at the time we didn't have that high level of technical resources, but we've found that over the last couple of years, it's improved significantly. I was just talking to a company out of Kansas that's actually does back-end development that's looking to set up an operation in Miami, and I'm helping them kind of get their feet on the ground and help them not to make the same mistakes that we made when we started up 4 years ago. But so we use Miami as our base, but our big powerhouse is in Denver. We've got almost 30 or 40 engineers working in offices up there. We have engineers working in Austin, Texas. We have a full engineering office in Belfast in Northern Ireland. We're now opening an office in London. I was looking at the lease today, and I believe we're opening another office in New York.
Got it. Yeah, that's really interesting. I'll have to hear about Miami this weekend after the conference. So I'm looking at the stock right now. I see it's up 4% today, so pretty good day so far. What do investors have to look forward to kind of in 2021 or even further down the road in 2022?
2021, we're basically just executing on our plan. I mean, before we finished the product, we knew what our business model was going to look like, and we've gone through sensitivity analyses and all sorts of contingencies for 2 years before we launched. So, like I said, right now it's about focused execution. It's rolling out these next 10,000 tablets in the ride shares. There's another 10,000 coming behind that. I think the orders are being placed today for another 10,000 tablets because we have the pipeline to supply, and it's just focused execution. We've onboarded key people from the media agencies that are really well respected in the industry. that's basically going to their Rolodexes and just bringing that revenue stream onto this new technological platform for the brand owners. And we're like I said, just focusing on that precision execution. You're missing one thing on that whiteboard behind there is the ticker symbol ALF.
We'll have to get that added on right next to the rocket ship.
Yeah.
But yeah, so I see we do in Benzinga Pro. We did have reports on the AI enabled tablets. And yeah, like I said, anytime you have breaking news, come on the show, break it with us, and we'll report it on Benzinga Pro. We'll get some articles out. And yeah, I mean, sorry to bring you on a day where so much crazy stuff is going on in the stock market, but would love to get you back on in the future.
I know it's crazy. The AMC is at 55, 50, 75 again. I'm watching it on the level.
Oh, you're watching it. I saw you threw in a guess of where it would open at.
Yeah.
What did you guess again that you thought it would open at?
I said 55.
That's pretty close. That's basically, I mean, it's where it's at right now. So maybe Raz will have to Venmo you $20, although.
Well, I bought this at 850. So.
Wait, when did you buy it? Back.
I bought it 850. I bought it 15. I bought it 26. I bought it 32.
Oh, so you've been increasing your position
all the way up.
All the way up.
Why'd you keep buying?
It's a meme stock. I call it the people's stock. I think that the hedgies are trying to short this thing, and the people are standing strong. And it's we love movies. We eat popcorn. We want to get out there. And if we could get this thing rolling, this is an entertainment venue for the people. And they're the ones, if you look at the followers on the Reddit, it's 400,000 followers and buyers of stock. I mean, imagine everybody buys 1,000 shares, what that does. I mean, it takes pretty deep pockets with those hedge funds to counteract that,
Yeah, and I do see it moving back on that upside. So
57.
Up to 58.
Go to 60, 61, 61. I hear 61. 62. So 59, 63. I hear 363. Come on, bidder. Come on, bidder. Right now, AMC to the moon. Boom.
Jason's trying out for his new job as an auctioneer. Paul, do you have anything else you're trading besides AMC?
I play a little bit with Sundial, SNDL, and
so you're in all the meme stocks.
Yeah, and then I was
hey, Paul, Sundial's on our cannabis show tomorrow and the next day.
Oh, I'd love to hear about that for sure.
Yeah, what time is Sundial on, Aaron Bree?
Let me pull
what
up the
time
event
is Sundial on, Aaron Bree?
I will figure out in 1 second.
Mm-hmm.
Let me here. I'll just share the screen of the conference. So we've got this beautiful website. You can go to it at benzinga.com/events. So let's see. Learn more. Here, I'll do the little sundial coming on. Oh, that's weird.
What?
There's not a time on here. It doesn't say.
All right, Paul. We'll find out. Go to the.
We'll let you know,
Paul.
It'll be right here on this YouTube
it's
channel.
Right there. Go to agenda.
Okay.
Click the agenda link. It's right there. Type his name in now. Command F.
Zach, 12:10 p.m.
I mean, Jesus. Agenda, Aaron. Come on.
So this is actually on June 4th. So this will be on Friday at
Okay.
12:10 p.m. Eastern time. And yeah, that's one that I'm really excited about. I know a lot of other people will be here tuning into Zach George, CEO of Sundial Growers. Yeah, and who knows, Paul? Maybe we can get you a question in there since you're a shareholder.
Sure, I'd love to. That'd be great. And Jason, if you're coming down to Miami, you should come and see our offices. You'll be in for a great treat. We've got all the technology displayed down here in Miami Beach. It's pretty exciting when you come and see it all live. I mean,
Do you own a hotel there? Because hotel availability literally is 0 to 0.
Oh, really?
Oh my God! Yeah, I'm staying at some place. I don't even know where, but literally you cannot even get a place right now in Miami. Right now, you cannot.
Oh my God! I didn't realize it was still so packed. I know Memorial Day
it's because of this crypto conference.
That's
Maybe Paul has a couch you can crash on.
No, I don't need a couch. I got a place. I just it's not my ideal. That's all.
I got you.
Your offices. What technology you got over there?
We got the kiosks. We have kiosks running in American Eagle Outfitters right now. Oops, I wasn't supposed to say that, but anyway. But yeah, we have kiosks.
Oh, what did he say? Bree, rewind.
No, we have kiosks here that mirror some kiosks we have in installations in Aventura Mall, and
I go to Aventura Mall. We have a place. My mother-in-law just sold her place in Aventura that she had for 15 years.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Oh, wow. They're there. I mean, you'll be surprised on the weekends how busy that mall gets.
Unreal.
Yeah, this is actually what the tablets look like that are going into the ride shares. That have been going into the ride shares. So they got all the buttons at the bottom that you can click and then add serve up based on the user in front of the screen. And those are being rolled out this week, next week, fall week, Miami, Orlando, and like I think 10 other cities.
And the symbol's ALF?
Yeah, ALF.
Okay.
It's interesting because when we went public, we purposely we pulled back our launch. We were launching Alfi last year, March, and we pulled it back when the COVID started. We actually did the Rafa Nadal tennis challenge tournament in Atlanta. We were one of the key sponsors, and we were launching right after that, and then COVID hit. So we pulled it back, and we made a concerted decision that we were not going to go commercial, and we were going to buckle down and power up and go to version 2 of the software. So we continued testing, and we continued building a new version right through COVID, and then we made a decision to launch right after the IPO. So when we did our IPO, Alfi went to IPO with 0 revenues. So I tell people we're going from 0 to hero because we've got a pipeline of revenues that will kind of make your head spin with it when you do the multiples and it comes out. But we're just basically focusing on the execution, like I said, and
Yep.
So it'll be pretty interesting.
Yep. No, it is. It is. All right. Let's connect with you later and go. We're gonna go talk AMD. AMD. We're gonna go talk AMC. All right.
Okay. Nice talking to you guys.
All right, Mr. Paul. We'll get back in contact. We'll have you back on soon.
Sure. Great. Thank you.
No problem. Thank you. All right. Before we go over to Get Technical, I do want to let you guys know about something if you're new here. We're doing it.
What was that, Aaron?
We have we're giving away a Tesla at 100,000 subscribers. A share of a Tesla.
Are you giving away a Tesla?
A share of Tesla.
How do they register?
So the link is in the chat. It's a Gleam link, or it's in the description. I'm also throwing it in the chat right here. It will ask you for a YouTube code, which is SLIMERAZ. I don't know why it's that. Maybe we'll find out. But here, let me put it in all caps so you know the code.
Here's a story. I'm going to Florida, so slime you, and I'm going. There's this boxing match on. It's probably not a big boxing match, but there's this Logan Paul, mutual friend, whatever, is fighting Floyd Mayweather. And that's, I think, Saturday night. I got invited by one of these TikTokers. I may go, or I may go to the Voyager party. I don't know which one. I'll probably end up going to the Voyager party because the fight is probably going to be 1 round, 1.5.
We'll probably have the fight on at the party.
Yeah, so why go to the fight then? You know what I mean?
Exactly,
like, why actually go to the fight?
But you can do both at the party.
Exactly. But the only reason to go to the fight is there's a bunch of these guys that will be there, and you can maybe see a lot of them really quickly. So I'm debating that, but you're not sliming me at the party. I got to wear my best britches.
Yes, sir. All right. Well, we have to get over to Get Technical.
What? Get Technical. I thought we were talking AMC. Put on the AMC chart. What are you doing?
We'll talk AMC on Get Technical, but Neil's bigger. Neil's bigger than me, and I don't want him to beat me up.
Just put on AMC for a second. Let me see what you got. Hold on. I don't see the price. Show me the AMC price. You're killing me.
I'm trying to. Okay. It's 59. Oh, we're going back up to 60. Do we have 60? It's coming up. 59.76, 59.80, 59. We got 60, 60, 60.
By the
60.
way,
it's going.
You said buy at 47.
I did say buy at 47. If you watch this show, we are the Trade Ideas show. My trade idea was buying AMC at 47. You would have made $14 a share profit.
And if you bought 20,000 shares, you would have made $200,000. 200,000.
It's a lot of money.
What's that noise I hear in the back?
I think that's Spencer. Let me get away from Spencer.
Get him out of here. Spencer, shut up. What do we at in AMC? What do we at in AMC? Come
it
on.
Dropped back below 60. It's at 59. I think it's trying to.
Yeah, happy sold 28%. Happy. Yours too zoomed in. I can't see a price on your screen. I see 57. All right, so 57. If you're new to this channel, please like and subscribe right now. Hit that freaking button. Slam it so hard. Share on your YouTube. And then tomorrow is the day we have our cannabis conference. Thursday and Friday. You guys are awesome. The Thinker, I appreciate you telling me I need to chill. And AB, you rock. Listen to that. Let's give him 3 props, producer AB. Give it to him right now. And then listen, give him 3 props. Put on the soundboard. For the Thinker. He said that you rock. That's what we do.
I don't know. I don't have the soundboard hooked up today. I don't know where Rohan is.
I'm coming to Florida tomorrow night or Friday morning. I don't know exactly where I'm staying yet. I have this hotel called the Moxie, but we'll see if I end up staying there. I don't know. It is what it is. We're here for you. AMC 58 by 37, 58, 34, 48. We are moving. And if you're new here, subscribe. There's no reason not to. And we love you all. The Thinker, I'm sorry if you think I need to chill. But listen, this is a day that you just don't see in the markets ever. If you're chilling today, man, you're in the wrong game, buddy. You're in the wrong game.
I agree. I agree with SNR. It does seem like you're chilling, Raz. We're good. But Christian, I agree. Today was a fun show. Fun market, fun show. This is the place where you can get trade ideas. Just like I said, buy an AMC at $47. Some people would have called me crazy.
We're at $60. We're at 60. Happy Muhammad. I sold 26% at 54 of that or 56. And now I got the rest riding, and we're at 60. Can we see 50? Can we see 61? Can we get to 62? What is AMC going to do? What is going to happen? And cheap dividend stocks, go to our screener and do the highest dividend yield. There you go.
That's a good idea. We have all the dividend info in Benzinga Pro. All right, we got to get over to Get Technical. Neil will be breaking down AMC over there.
Stay on with us. We're not leaving you. We're going all day. AMC galore, and then complimentary picks as well. Complimentary picks as well. And that's what we're going to do, okay?
Jim, you might be right. That maybe that wasn't as much of a trade idea as a gamble, but at the end of the day, it worked out. So, all right. We'll be back on. We'll be going all day. Who knows? Maybe we'll get Raz back on if we get these likes up. If we get the subs up, Raz might come back on. Otherwise,
and maybe I'll get slime today, as you say, Aaron Bree, because we are at 60. Let's go, Zinger Nation for life. I'm gonna get a tattoo. I don't know about you. Gotta go. Zoodoo. Love you.
All right, stick around. This video will automatically direct you to Get Technical. You may just need to hit the play button, but we will see you over there. Peace out, Zinger Nation. Much love.